Ooh, here we have the data logger. There we go.
It's gone off.
Is it?
Press the button. It's come on.
There we go. So we have originally removed the cover so you can see the data logger itself tucked away in the top corner there. The data logger gives us quite a little bit of information, to be honest with you.
It does, indeed.
Yes.
So from this, by going through some of the settings in the menu, we can see how long the unit's been running for. So on this particular unit, I've got my glasses on, but we can see there it's been running for 368 hours. It is a
Wow.
test demo, it's not been in there for years.
Right, okay, so that's probably
Test
over a couple of weeks.
Yeah, so it's just over a couple of weeks.
Just over a
That's
couple of
bit
weeks of
maths
running.
there.
Yeah.
I like that. Just
Andy with a board at the back there.
Well prepared. But you can also see there, we can see from that, at that time, it's been running for a total of about 278 hours on its trickle mode.
Right, okay, yeah.
And then the rest of the time,
Yeah, that's been in either a manual boost mode, so somebody's saying please go to boost, or it's been actually tracking humidity for
there
you.
you go. So, and on that, what do you reckon the power consumption is there? I'm not sure if you can see that on the video, but we'll get marketing to do a bit of a close-up. A total of 0.818 kilowatt hours.
Wow, so it's even less than 1 kilowatt hour. So
It
across,
is indeed.
so across that 2 weeks worth of running,
It's not used any energy.
it's not it's minimal. Very, very minimal. Very, very minimal.
energy efficient.
Yeah, pennies, basically, is what you're looking at.
So good. And that's sort of some of the features you can see on there. The other thing you can do on this is you can go into commissioning and you can actually set the airflows and fine tune the airflows if required.
Right, okay, not a problem at all. So a very adapt and new innovation with technology.
There you go. So that is the new Filterless Infinity or Cyclone 8.